How to disable Safari suggestions on iPhone. Did you know you can disable search suggestions in Safari on your iPhone? If you don't want Safari to show suggestions while you're typing in the search bar, you can easily turn them off. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. Step 1. Open Settings. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Step 2. Go to Safari. Scroll down and tap Apps. Then, find and tap Safari. Step 3. Open Search Settings. Now scroll down to the search section. Here, you'll find several search options. Step 4. Disable Search Engine Suggestions. Find Search Engine Suggestions. Tap the switch next to it to turn it off. Step 5. Disable Safari Suggestions. Now find Safari Suggestions. Turn this option off as well. Check Safari. Now open Safari and tap the search/address bar. You should no longer see the suggestions that were provided by these settings. And that's how you can disable Safari suggestions on your iPhone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful iPhone tutorials.